Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kara and today we are going to be chatting about all of the housing market updates you need to know for May. I'm first going to go ahead and give you guys some statistics for Buncombe County, which is where Asheville is located, and also some regional statistics for this area. Based on Q1 statistics, Buncombe County's median sale price is now $355,000. Regionally, it's right around $312,000. The average sale price in Buncombe County is hovering right around $457,000, whereas regionally, it's right around $380,000. The month supply, which if you saw my last video, if not, I'll pop up a link right here. If you saw that last video, you'll remember that I mentioned month supply and how it's really tight right now. So what I mean by this is currently in Buncombe County, there is just over a month's supply of homes on the market, which means to support the amount of demand that we're seeing right now, there's just not a lot of inventory. Regionally, it's a little bit higher, like 1.3, whereas Buncombe County itself is 1.1, but this is significantly lower than we have seen in past months and past years. Alright, so now that we have covered some of those regional facts, I'm going to jump right into some national statistics. Year over year, the median sale price has actually rose 17.2%, which equates to right around a $330,000 median sale price, which is actually a historic high. If you saw my last market update video, you'll also remember that I mentioned lumber prices and how they have gone up so much recently, especially in the past 12 months. Well, at the beginning of May, they actually increased even more. Lumber prices have now reached an all-time high of right around $1,500 per 1,000 board feet. This has added roughly $36,000 to the price of a new home. You may also know that home prices have been appreciating quite a bit recently. So I've read a few different reports about this, and a lot of them are really saying that it's likely going to reach a peak this year in 2021, and that home prices will continue to appreciate in the years to come, but probably not to the extent that we're seeing now. So I'm actually going to pop up a chart right here on the screen that'll show you one of the reports I was reading, and you'll see the peak in 2021, and then in the following years it kind of tapers off. This doesn't mean that home prices are going to go down, it just means that the amount of price appreciation will be lower than this year. That's a projection, of course we're not sure what exactly is going to happen, but that's what it's seeming like at the moment. I'm also going to add another chart on the screen here that shows you the average sale to list price ratio and how in mid-April that changed and is now over 100%. So in other words, sale price is now on average higher than list price. And if you've been on the market either as a buyer or a seller, you have likely encountered a multiple offer scenario where homes are going off the market at list price or above. I also want to touch a little bit on mortgage interest rates. I have another chart to pop up here for you guys that shows you how interest rates have slowly been declining a little bit, and right now they're hovering just below 3% for a 30-year fixed rate mortgage. I know that last month we were seeing interest rates a little bit over 3%, now they're a little bit below, and I actually just read a statistic this morning that said this is now the third week in a row that interest rates have been below 3%. The last statistic that I want to bring up for you guys also has to do with mortgage interest rates and where they're going to be going. So I have one last chart here for you guys, and it will show you that based on one study, interest rates are projected to increase ever so slightly in the coming years. It doesn't seem like we'll see anything too drastic, but it does seem like they might start to creep up. So as always, if you are a seller around Asheville, I am more than happy to chat with you about what your home might be worth in this market. If you're a buyer, I am also very happy to help you as well find your next home, and I will leave my contact info in the description box as well as at the end of this video. And that concludes my housing market updates for May. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, leave me a comment, let me know if you learned something new today, and if there are any types of videos you guys would like to see in the future. I am more than happy to make that type of video for you guys. Also, one quick thing before I go, I did actually make a PDF version of a spring market update if you guys want kind of like a written, concise PDF where you can look at all of the market statistics I've mentioned in this video, as well as the April video I filmed last month. If you would like that, definitely reach out to me, send me your name and your email, and I will be happy to get that over to you as well. It's completely free, so might as well take advantage of it. All right, that's it for today, guys. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon in the next one.